Hello everybody and welcome back to Indigenous Kindergarten Math Scholars. This is our 6th week and we're on Wednesday. So I hope everyone had fun with the worksheets and centers on Monday. So let's begin with our math meeting board. Get into routine, get Miss Butterfly, our lovely helper, and let's start with our calendar. So it's October the 20th and it's Wednesday. All right, so let's go to our seasons. We're in the fall season, then we're gonna go to winter, then spring, and then summer. All right, let's say our months together. Ready? Everyone ready? So we're gonna go in with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Let's jump over here to our coins, our nickel and our penny. So remember yesterday, we said a nickel and a penny makes 6 cents? Because a nickel is worth 5 cents and a penny is worth 1 cent. So I'm gonna show you something really special today. Let me get my red marker and let's introduce the cent sign. Okay, so I'm gonna circle the cent sign because you put this after the coins. All right, so 5 cents and 1 cent make 6 cents. So we're gonna make a number 6 and we're gonna put the cent sign after it. Okay, let's go to, so that's just introducing the cent sign for you guys because we need the sign for our coins. So it's not just the number 6, it's 6 cents. Okay, let's go to our clock. Let's see what time it is on our clock. The hour hand is pointing at 1. The minute hand is pointing at 12. That means it is 1 o'clock. Okay, so we're gonna get our dry erase marker and we're gonna write 1 o'clock right here. Let's jump over here to our number of the day. Our number of the day is 17. So everyone get your finger in the air and we're gonna air draw a 17. So we're gonna go 1 and a 7. All right, so everyone have your numbers chart out. So everyone take out your hundreds chart. Have this in front of you. Get your pointer finger ready. Let's point to the number 1. So we have 1, 2, 3. What comes next? 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes next? 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we finished up our math meeting board and I want you guys to have your centers out, your lesson 17 centers and worksheets. While I flip around the board, have those right in front of you. Okay, for this center today, we will need our dry erase marker, our dry erase eraser, and our dice. So in your pencil box, take these supplies out, have them ready. This is what we will be needing for our center today. Okay, so our center is 3 in a row. So we're going to be doing 2 worksheets today for our center. So we're going to do what comes next, just like our math meeting board, what comes next. So let's read this. Roll a die, write the number that you roll in the first box, then write the 2 numbers that come next. Okay, so this is when we will use our die. Okay, I'm going to be shaking mine in my hand, but you can roll yours if you're sitting at the table. Or if you can roll it on the floor if you'd like, but I'm going to be, or you can also do what I'm doing is just rolling it in my hand. Okay, just like this. Let's see what number we get. 2. Miss Olivia rolled a number 2. So our directions say, write the number that you roll in the first box. So since we rolled a number 2, we're going to put the number 2 right there. And then we're going to write what comes next after 2. So we have 2, 3. So we're going to write a number 3 right there. And what comes after 3? 4, right. 4 comes after 3. Hey, let's do another one. So let's roll our die. Let's see what number we roll. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We rolled a number 5. So we're going to get our dry erase marker and we're going to write a number 5 in our first box. So what comes next after 5? We have 5, 6. 6 comes after 5. So what comes next after 6? We have 5, 6, 7. 7 comes after 6. All right, let's roll our die 2 more times together. So have your die ready. Let's see what number we roll. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We rolled a number 4. So we're going to write a number 4 in the first box. Oh, let me write this better. So what comes next after 4? So we have 4 fingers up. We add another one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to put a number 5 right there. What comes next after 5? 6. 6 comes next after 5. Okay, let's roll our dice one more time. Let's roll it one more time. And we rolled a 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to write a number 3 in the first box. Okay, what comes next after 3? 4. 4 comes next. So we have 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5. 5 comes after 4. Okay. So we did 4 rows together with our rolling our dice. I'm just going to erase these so we can go and look at our before and after worksheet, which is also our center. So I'm just going to erase this. Okay, so if we look at our other center, which is before and after, we've done this one before, but let's read the directions. Okay, this one says, roll a die, write the number that you roll in the middle box, then write the numbers that come before and after. So we've seen this one before, just like what is one less and then what is one more. Okay, so let's roll our die, see what number we get. 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We rolled a 6, and we're going to put that number in the middle. Okay, so what comes before 6? 5. 5 comes before 6. What comes after 6? 5, 6, 7, right? 7 comes after 6. Okay, let's roll another one. Have your dice ready to roll. Let's see. We have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to write the number 4 in the middle where it says write the number you rolled. Put 4 in the middle. What comes after 4? 5. 5 comes after 4. What comes before 4? 3. 3 comes before 4. So we have 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's do it 2 more times. Get your dice ready. And we rolled a 3. Okay, so get your dry erase marker. We're going to put a number 3 in the middle. So what comes before 3? You have 3 fingers up. Take 1 down. How many fingers you have? 1, 2. So 2 comes before 3. What comes after 3? 2, 3, 4. 4 comes after 3. Okay. I'm just having so much fun rolling this die. Let's do it one more time. One more time, roll your die. 2. I rolled a 2. So we're going to write a number 2 in the middle. Okay, what comes after 2? 3. 3 comes after 2. What comes before 2? 1. 1 comes before 2. So now that we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we just finished our center. You guys can erase this and then you can reuse this center for extra practice when you just want to roll your die and then use your dry erase marker for extra practice at home. Okay, so now that we finished our center, we can move on to our worksheets. So the first worksheet that we will be doing today is count and draw. And it'll look like this with the numbers and the watermelon on top. And the directions say draw the correct number of seeds in each watermelon. So you can pick any color you'd like. I'm going to use black, but you can use any color you pick from your pencil box. And then we're just going to look on our worksheet and draw the seeds with how many we see the number. Okay, so let's look at our first box. And we have the number 5. So we see the number 5. We're going to draw 5 watermelon seeds on this watermelon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go to this box. This is number 3. So we're going to draw 3 watermelon seeds on this watermelon. 1, 2, 3. Let's go over here. Look at this number. We have the number 6. So we're going to draw 6 watermelon seeds on this watermelon. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's do 2 more together. Let's look at this. This is the number 2. So we're going to draw 2 watermelon seeds. You can put your watermelon seeds anywhere you'd like, as long as it has 2 in there. Okay, let's go to this one. And it's the number 1, so that means we'll only draw 1 watermelon seed. That was a very fast worksheet. Mind you, this is just review from all of the lessons that we've done before. Okay, so I did these ones with you. I would like for you to do these ones at home for extra practice. And we can go to this worksheet that says color by dots. So have this worksheet in front of you. While I read the directions say count the dots, use the color code to color the picture. So it looks like we'll be coloring today. How fun. Let's see what colors we need. Okay, so let's look at our color code. Our color code says red, yellow, purple, and blue. So let me get the colors ready. We have red, yellow, purple, and blue. So have these colors out. We're going to be coloring today. Okay, everyone ready? So let's see our color code. So 3, the color is red. 4, the color is yellow. 5, the color is purple. And 6, the color is blue. So let's look over here and let's count the dots. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 dots in this section, so we're gonna get our blue color pencil because the color for 6 is blue. So we're just going to color in this section with blue. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's go right here and let's count the dots. So there's 1, 2, 3. There are 3 dots. Let's look for the color code. For 3 is red. So everyone pick up your red color pencil and let's color in this section because it has 3 dots. The color is red. Okay, let's look right here, this little section right here. Let's count the dots. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's 4 dots, so the color for 4 is yellow. So everyone have their yellow color pencil in their hand. And I'm just gonna color in this section. Okay, so let's go down here. Let's pick this one right here. Let's count the dots. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 dots. So the color for 5 is purple. So have purple in your hand, purple. We're gonna go right here and we're gonna color in this section purple. Okay, so I did 3, 4, 5, and 6 with you. You guys can do this at home for extra practice. This is very counting. This is extra practice for your counting. And when you're done with this worksheet, it will reveal a picture. Isn't that exciting? After you're done with this, you'll see what picture that was showing. Okay, so let's go on to this worksheet. Let me move these ones over so we can see this one better. Okay, so everyone have this worksheet right in front of you. It says how many, count, cut, and paste. Okay, so this worksheet, in the title it says cut and paste. So what we'll be doing is cutting and pasting. So get your scissor and your glue stick. Okay, so have these supplies out. We'll be needing these today. Okay, so where we'll be cutting is the bottom half. Let me take my worksheet down. and we're going to cut on the dotted line. We're going to cut these numbers out. Okay, let's cut these numbers out. I see numbers 1 through 9. You guys recognize the animals on our worksheet? We've seen these animals before. We have some bear, I see some fish, some horses, a badger. You guys are pretty familiar with this worksheet because it's cut and paste. Okay, cut the rest of these numbers out. Have them in front of you and have your glue stick ready. So let's read the directions. The directions say, count the number in each set. Cut and paste the correct number in each box. Okay, so let's look in our first box. See how many birds there are. There's 1, 2, 3. There are 3 birds in there. So let's look at our number cards and let's find the number 3. So I have the number 3 right here. We're gonna put some glue in the back of that. And then we're gonna paste the number 3 where it has 3 birds. Okay, let's go to our next box. So there's 1, 2, there's foxes. Forgot to mention there's foxes. Let's count the foxes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 foxes. Let's look at our number cards. Have 9. Let's glue the back of this. And we're going to place the number 9 in this box. Okay, let's go look at these fish. Let's count these fish. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 fish. So we're gonna look for the number card with the number 6. Which is this one. We're gonna put some glue on the back of this one. And we're going to place that one right there. Okay, let's look at the horse. How many horses do you see? There's only 1 horse. So we're gonna look for the number 1. It's right here. We're gonna put some glue in the back of that. And then we're going to place our number 1 because there is 1 horse right there. Okay, let's look over here at the bear. Let's count how many bears there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 bears. So we're gonna look for our number card with the number 4. Put some glue in the back of that one. And then we're gonna just place this right here. Okay, so I did these with you. You guys can do the rest for extra practice at home. Okay, so that finishes up our centers and our worksheets. I hope you guys had such a fun time today. I wonder which one is your favorite worksheet. I really like the coloring ones, but I hope you guys had fun on this Wednesday. I'll see you on Friday. And remember, we have activities and reading on Thursday. So I'll see you then. Bye.